Welcome to Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Mripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Golden Arrows 1. It's MTN 8. First leg semi-final. My brother, how's it?
I'm good and you, Mr. Ngobo.
Hey, sharp, thanks, man.
I'm good. Bafethu ayandamgidlana lokhuluma konke. Bafethu sokhuluma ngegame yeGolden Arrows neMamelodi Sundowns. Mr. Ngobo, we have to sit down and think about what was happening in the game kancane and dive into it.
Yeah.
We're looking at Coach Pitso Dladla, the Coach Cardoso. When we talk about Coach Pitso Dladla, he's the coach that is a defending champion with Nedbank. He's the coach that qualified at Durban City with us 8. We MTN 8. As we've seen at Durban City this season, we MTN 8.
Yeah.
So that is to tell you something about Coach Pitso Dladla. And for me, because I follow a lot of football, I know his qualities. Coach Pitso Dladla. He's not just any other coach. He's a special coach, Pitso Dladla. One of those coaches in South Africa that I look up to and say, yeah, Lana's no coach. For sure, Bafana in the near future, certain level, uzaibamba naye. Coach Pitso Dladla namhlanje ukhiphe one of his key players, uGianni, with centre back, and introduce a new player in that centre back position. And then you look at how he approached the game. Coach Pitso Dladla approached the game with the mid block, low block. But what I liked about Coach Cardoso, he understood what I'm gonna face a mid block, low block. He said, let me put Umthiba. The reason why I'm putting Umthiba, I want to pin the two centre backs. If those two centre backs are not pinned, they have a room to move around.
Who are we talking about?
The other centre, I don't know their centre backs is riding Gash. The Arrows, I don't know. I must say, one Mabasa, and then there's a new one, Age, something, I think it's Age.
Okay,
So he wanted to pin the two centre backs. So these centre backs, once you pin them, that is why you see Umthiba getting a chance to score. That's when you see Undlovu coming in Nebola, I'll pass Umthiba will be Undlovu, I shoot Undlovu getting another chance. That's where you see a cross coming in, Umthiba challenge, head. But what happened once you put Umthiba out? Who got those chances? Who managed to pass Undlovu Nyaweni or upasa Umailule Nyaweni? There was no one.
Exactly,
In Sundowns we have different strikers. Sino Umthiba, a box striker. Sino Reyners who moves around. Sino Leon. Now turn a bucket run. Leon does not like staying. Centre back. He likes a bucket run. That is why when you have Leon grounding, you need Nuno Santos. And you need Nuno Santos who's ticking. When he plays those balls behind, you need him good at delivery quality, because when you have Nuno Santos delivering those quality balls behind, you know Naranjan Leon can finish. But when you have Leon and you don't have Nuno Santos or you don't have Usales Pagat, then you're gonna miss Lama Pola behind. So what happened is Nuno Santos was not ticking. You can tell ukuthi uShilo no coach what the preseason Nuno Santos azange benayo kahle. I think something happened uyaba injured basase lapha yana. So you can tell ukuthi momentum ye game akayibambi. Hence mawumlethe game in uyambona ukuthi ayikho right. And another thing akayilungisile ucoach wethu in our previous game, he made sure ukuthi it did not play Umkhulisi. Remember there was a game la adlala khona ngumkhulisi, it was Kaizer Chiefs adlala ngumkhulisi ngoAlende adlala ngoRayden ngoObas. And then the following game wakhipha Umkhulisi wadlala ngoAlende wadlala ngoRayden ngoObas. And then phambi kwabo the young Mukwena, and then he had Urayden Mailulu. The reason for having that with spine set is because you wanted to Alende to have all the room. Alende udlala njengesikhathi clock on the wall to move around. But once you have Umkhulisi grounding, you have Alende grounding. Now you have a problem, because once you have also Upasadin or you have Umudiba, they all want the ball in Nyaweni. They all come to Obas, like Mekono Obas to receive in Nyaweni. Now that movement in the middle field is no longer there. That is why even today, that's the mistake we made, because I think our coach listened to our fans, because after Umthiba Ame still, they all started booing him. So he felt, let me do what the fans want. Let me put the players I'm a fan about Funa. That's why he introduced Abom Kulisi. That's why he introduced Abom Nuno. That's why he introduced a lot of ball players. Players who want people in Nyaweni. That's a mistake, and that's where Coach Pitso Dladla wanted us to be. That's exactly what he wanted. I want them to play like that. Once we do that, you know what he did, Coach Pitso Dladla? He compacted. Now back 4 yakhe nale 3 phakathi or 4-5 phakathi, they started compacting. They became a block bahlala bonke. Now that block you cannot penetrate. Remember Alende udlala 1-2, Umkhulisi udlala 1-2, uRayden Obas uMudiba ufuna ukudlala ama-1-2 and another thing you have to understand ukuthi uMudiba is a player odlala ngo-left kuphela. They will allow uMudiba to cut inside knowing he's not going to take a shot more right, so still bammakile. He had many chances ukuthi uMudiba angene phakathi ashooting more right, but he wouldn't take that risk akusinyawo like favorite foot, so bammakile kanjalo. And then you have on the other side uMatthews is not ticking these days, maybe fatigue or something, but uyabonakala ukuthi he's not himself these days. You can see even in the game, even they brought him in, you can see man even previous game ukuthi lo Matthews lo simjwayele. So I feel ukuthi umuntu oyiwinile igame yanamhlanje ucoach Pito, but also nathi ngamasana wana ama-fan we made a mistake by putting the coach under pressure. If you allow the coach to continue the way aqale ngakhona, I think we're going to get something out of this game, because coach the only time I saw ama-center back eGolden Arrows panic, it was when uMuthiba was there pinning them. Ngiyabonga Mr.
No, thanks Shawahulu
ngitshela ngifuna ngitshela
Ay, Zogal. Ufuna